guys, in this video I'm going to do a Bani Thani tutorial. I'm going to show you what I used, how I painted it step by step. So let's begin. So for this painting I'm using Anupam watercolor paper 300 GSM. For the paints I'm using Camel watercolor cakes and a white poster color. You'll need a number 4 and a number 2 round brush. For the pens you'll need a gold glitter pen and my favorite pen for lining, Fly Flymax. Let me show you why I love it so much. So normally in our Indian market you get two sizes of waterproof markers, a thick and a thinner one. I like even thinner lines for my artwork, so my search was over when I found this Reynolds Flymax pen. So let me show you what all of them look like. So here's a swatch of the thick one and I'm going to swatch the thinner one right next to it. And now I'm going to use the Flymax gel pen, and as you can see it's even thinner than the previous two, so I really like it and it's perfect for the kind of work I like to do. So we're done with the material and now let's start painting. So I finished drawing the basic outline. If you wish to trace it, you can find the link in the description box below. So I'm going to start using my marker all over the outline. My outline is done and this is what it looks like. We'll start painting now. I've decided to use the skin color for the background, face and body. Notice that for the arms and face, I'm using the same color but a slightly thicker wash. If you'd like to learn more about watercolor washes and control, I'd really encourage you to subscribe, as I plan to do an entire series on the basics of watercolor. Okay guys, now we're going to start with this purple shade, and before you start, make sure you prepare a sufficient amount to avoid light and dark patches in your painting. Now I'm going to start using yellow ochre to fill in the other parts of the outline. Now I'll finish painting the hair with black color. So now I'm going to use a thicker wash of yellow to suggest the gold jewelry. And once we're done with that, go ahead and use Scarlet Lake for the other minute details like the lips, the beads and the petals. So go ahead and use your number 2 round brush and white poster color for suggesting pearls. Now for the last few details, I'm going to use my golden gel pen for embellishing the drapes. It also shines through from different angles and it looks absolutely beautiful. And I also prefer using gold glitter pen over golden paint, as it tends to sparkle more and it's just easier to use. Okay guys, so we've reached the final step. I'm using my black and golden pens for the remaining minute details and lining. Okay, so we're finally done, and this is what the painting looks like. I also decided to make these small flower patterns on the dress. You can choose any other design or colors for this painting and create your own version. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful and you're feeling kind, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for upcoming tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.